What is happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we are gonna take this Panasonic G9 and mount a few lenses from Pentax K5. Here we go. So as you already know, I have a Pentax K5 camera before, and I've been wanting to use its lenses like this one with the manual aperture ring to this Panasonic G9. In this case, let's see if I'm going to show you if the quality of the camera, the pictures, the videos is well worth it to even convert it. The converter I got is fairly cheap. We'll unbox it. We'll unbox it here in a second. Let's get to it. These lenses, this is all just a manual converter. It just converts it from a micro four thirds to a K mount, Pentax K. So basically with this, you won't be able to change the aperture on each one because of it's not a manual thing. If you had a manual lens like this, which has a aperture dial, then it'd be perfect. But these doesn't have that, just the focus ring, so you won't be able to do that. But I've taken a few photos with each lens, and I'm gonna show you how sharp they are and how well they are compared to the actual Lumix lens. Such lens like this for the Pentax K5, you can change the aperture with the aperture ring, just like this. So you could see that. This would be a perfect lens, completely manual lens for this adapter. So let's try it out. What you need to do is to take it off, you have to pull that lever down, twist it off. It should come off. Another trick as well, if you have a automatic lens, is to put something like that so that the aperture is open all the time. I also put it on that, just like that, because this is the one that opens and closes the aperture. Now comment below if there's something else that I can use without doing that, because I don't really like doing that. But yeah, comment below if you know another trick so that I don't have to keep putting cardboard on my lenses. So to put it on, same way as you're putting on lenses, you just match the orange, then you twist it on. Just like that, you hear a click and it should stay there. Now the next step you need to do is to open it up, turn it on. Now we're gonna have to change our focal length setting. So we just press yes. This is a 55 mil, so let's go ahead and change that, 55 mil. And press set. There you go. So now with this, it's beautiful. You can change your aperture, no problem like that. and then this is how you can focus on your subject. So now let's take a photo. So in my opinion, the best lenses for the Pentax K is the cheapest ones, just like this one. This is very old. This is from still made in Japan, all metal, and I wouldn't recommend this adapter to the brand new lenses that Pentax has. I would use it on the old ones where it has the aperture ring where you can adjust it on the outside. I think it's pretty good for people who already have different lenses. You can buy this manual adapter for fairly cheap price as well. I'll link that down in the description below. And that's it for today, guys. As you can see here, I have the Panasonic G9 with the Tamron from Pentax K mount right there. Beautiful device, very big now. It's not a micro four thirds lens anymore, APS-C lens, but it will help me in the future on shooting and buying new Pentax K mount lenses. Pretty cheap lenses, as you can tell, compared to micro four thirds. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video and I was able to help you, make sure to hit that like button below. Comment below what I could improve on, and comment below as well if this is well worth it for your money, if you like this setup that I have here. Share it to your friends. I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and peace out.